Okay, today we are in Miramar. We are going to service this Kirkland grill. It's got a side burner and one, two, three burners plus a smoker tray and a back burner, right? So this is the way we're finding the grill, and we'll make this baby look nice and clean once we're done with it. That's the inside of the hood, pitch black as you can see, and we'll transform this baby in just a few hours. So we'll show it back to you, or we'll have to fix that door too, and we'll show you the way it looks once we're done with it. Bye now.